Ladies and gentlemen, Steve Rosenberg, Senior Vice President and General Manager, Oracle Health Science.
Good evening. First, the New York Yankees. So close, so close. But World Series is going on, and I guess it'll be fun without the Yankees. So first, I'd like to thank the Galien Foundation, Bruno and Roy. Thank you very much. This is the 9th year that Oracle has been a sponsor of this event. And every time I come here, I normally sit and go, well, Oracle, we're great. We have all this great technology, software. And then I see what everybody in this room does in terms of treating medical needs. And it's a bit humbling. I got to be honest, it's a bit humbling. But we looked at the companies and the things that were nominated, and what we noticed was over 80% of the drugs that are nominated and more than 84% of the companies that made those drugs use Oracle technology for clinical development in some fashion. And I bet you that most of the people in this room don't even know that the software has remained somewhat invisible. Last year I stood up here and I talked about the software should remain invisible, that people should go to do their job, to create molecules, conduct clinical trials, get through FDA approval, and never have to think about what software they're using. Huh? Okay. I think I'm shouting. I think that's what you just told me. In the past year, technology has changed drastically, and it's becoming much more in the forefront. You'll hear the buzzwords cloud computing, AI, machine learning, big data, Internet of Things. You'll hear all these buzzwords in technology. The truth is that those things exist. That AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning, collecting data from wearable devices, connected devices all exist. And in my opinion, it's time for the software to be more front and center. We at Oracle have taken AI machine learning and we're doing automated case processing for adverse event reporting. We could bring data with more meaning to people when they have to make the decisions. We could take advantage of cloud computing to reduce the costs and the time it takes for the software to behave, for you guys to run clinical trials. And we could get that data more readily available in the format it's needed for analysis and therefore submission. And probably most importantly, we can get to quick no's. You can see that data early enough and decide that this isn't a program that's for you. So I actually think that going forward, the software needs to be more visible. It needs to take control more of what it can do and bring these advantages to the people that are trying to do these medicines. So I promised I'd be brief. I was going to tell a joke, but I have no appropriate jokes. I won't insult some people in here. So with that, again, thank you very much. We're proud to be the sponsor, and I'll talk to you later.